YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Crypto J coming at you guys with yet another J Talks Crypto. If you're brand new to the channel, hit the subscribe button as well as bell notification. I do my best each and every day to give you guys the topics in cryptocurrency. And guys, nothing has changed. Nothing has changed today. We're going to talk about the market. We're going to talk about Toshi. We're going to talk about Bitcoin. We're going to talk about all those big coins that you guys like, XRP, Solana, Ethereum, all of them, right? So let's break it down, guys. You guys could see total market cap today coming in at a 2.67 trillion. Fear greed index coming in right now at a 25. Bitcoin coming in at an 81. 9. Yikes, right? Starting to break down off of that 82 range. And I told you guys if we broke down below those ranges that this was starting to look pretty ugly. And as you guys can see, starting to form a little bit of a double bottom here. But is it going to be enough? Can we hold some support in this 80K range, or are we going to see it break down? I don't know. I expect the markets to be volatile, right? Anything can really happen, but at the same time, the trend usually is our friend, right? And things are kind of pointing down right now. So you guys can see we have a shoulder, head, shoulder playing out right here. And this is going to drive a lot of fear into the market, right? As a matter of fact, it already did. Look, this right here was a shoulder, head, shoulder, right? Shoulder, head, shoulder, and we dropped down. And yeah, now we could be possibly also making some kind of a bear flag here if we don't start breaking above some of these upper levels. As a matter of fact, let's look at Bitcoin on a more microscopic level, right? Let's look at the day chart. As you guys could see, starting to create that shoulder, head, shoulder. This is what we didn't want to create. I said, you know, if we start actually breaking below this neckline, we're actually going to see a really big sell-off in the market. Maybe that might happen on that might happen tomorrow, because we're going to have a big announcement tomorrow about the interest rates. Or maybe again, this thing will find some kind of double bottom here and it could start pumping up out of this resistance. But again, trend is usually your friend here, and this is kind of pointing down right now. So that's a little concerning. And then also look, shoulder, head, shoulder, right? Just a lot of bearish stuff going on the 1 day chart. On the 1 hour chart though, looking like we possibly have some kind of double bottom. But again, look how much Bitcoin has been lacking in volume today. Been concerning, definitely, right? We are still looking like we're breaking down. So I don't know, what do you guys think? You guys think that we're going to start breaking down again, making another bear flag here? If we don't hold this 80K range, we're going to touch back on this 78 range. And then if that doesn't hold, which there's a decent chance that it's not going to hold, then we might see some even lowers, right? You can even see on the week we're starting to break down, right? We had this bear flag, and then now again, looking a little bit funky on Bitcoin. We got to start picking up in some volume Bitcoin. But let's check out the rest of the market and see what's going on. I'm going to check out a lot of coins, right? Let's check out Ethereum, see how Ethereum's been performing. Made a price prediction on Ethereum already. I think Ethereum is going to drop down, probably hit like 1100, 1200. And then I think it's going to shoot up like crazy. I'm super bullish on Ethereum for the long term. But this chart just looks cooked, and it just looks like it's going to need to see more of a correction. I don't think it's going to hold this range right here. It just doesn't look like there's much supporting it, especially for how high it was and how much it's correcting down. I just feel like it's probably going to hit more lower to this 1100 range, 1200 range, and hopefully see a big, huge price pump from there. Again, we know that a lot of these big millionaires and billionaires are accumulating right now, and they're driving these prices down, and they're talking about ETFs and stuff like that. So I wouldn't be surprised if Ethereum again touched 1100, 1200 before that ETF, and then, you know, shot all the way up insane. But that's just some speculation. Also, XRP, right? Let's talk about XRP. XRP coming in at $2.24, down 5% today. Also seeing some volatility in the market, right? And kind of creating a wedge here on the 7 day. Right, we had this wedge forming on the 7 day. Maybe we could start breaking up out of it, but at the same time, looking super funky, just right alongside Bitcoin on the 1 month. Right, lacking in volume, creating lower highs. Also, the 1 year looking very concerning too. Right, we don't want to start breaking down below this $2 range, because if we do, it's going to be a slippery slope. It's not much support down here. We had a huge parabolic run up right here, but in my opinion, XRP is probably only going to break down if Bitcoin decides it wants to break down. If the market decides it wants to stay healthy and see a good recovery, then I think that XRP will perform pretty nicely. And I don't think it's performing that bad. It's only down 17% this month. That's not bad. So again, I think it just requires a little bit of patience. I feel like the people that are holding XRP in general are pretty bullish on the project. So I like XRP. I'm long on it. If the market does decide it wants to break down, it's another coin that I'm looking at. Let's talk about Solana too. Solana looking pretty weak also today. Gave a price prediction of where I thought Solana would probably go. I probably thought it would be in the 70 range. Today it's coming in at 123. So I do think that Solana is probably going to need to see some sell-off. But again, we could have some bullish news tomorrow and these could be so great. But look, this is like kind of breaking down right on the 1 year chart. It's not looking good anymore on Solana very well. And I don't know. I feel like Solana is going to get pretty cheap, honestly. It could even break down further than that $75 range, to be honest with you. Now, 1 year chart's looking, the 1 year chart's looking like distinct correct all the way down to like closer to the 50. I don't know. That's just kind of my prediction on it. Look at this thing. It's like it can really be volatile, right? Solana has had a history of volatility, though. It's nothing new. Nothing has changed, boys. Nothing has changed. That's what I say. Let's talk about some Toshi, right? Check out Toshi. Toshi also seeing some volatility in the market today. Coming in at close to 150 million market cap. Also have to be paying attention to Toshi on this 1 year chart. I mean, either way, I'm looking for a cheaper price on this project, but it is sitting on some key resistance on this 1 year here. We're also creating a wedge on the 1 month. It's just kind of been grinding alongside Bitcoin. Every time Bitcoin's pumped, it's kind of pumped. And then, yeah, now we're starting to see a little bit of the market breakdown. Looks like their X. Let's check out their X. I haven't checked out Toshi Coin's X. They're getting pretty close to 110,000 right now. Pretty big. I don't know. They're staying active. Today's St. Patrick's Day, or was that yesterday? Was yesterday St. Patrick's Day? Yesterday was St. Patrick's Day. Yeah. Let's check out. I want to check out a real-time view of this chart, though. Let me go on just DEX tools. Go check out DEX tools. DEX tools. All right, here we go. Nice. Go to Toshi. Let's check it out. Down about 8% right now. Time of the video 153. Okay, so it's recovering a little. It's recovering a little bit more from CoinMarketCap. CoinMarketCap is really kind of slow, guys. I like to use DEX tools because it's a little faster. You could track transactions down here too, and it just makes it easy. So I like DEX tools. It's quick. It seems like Toshi's like kind of just moving with the market, but it's responding. When Bitcoin pumps, it's pumping. When Bitcoin dips, it's dipping. Again, the market might dip tomorrow. It's a reality. It's looking pretty not so hot right now. So again, I would expect a dip down to the lower side. That's just my prediction, though. I can be wrong. The market could recover significantly between even now and tomorrow. And this chart could be flipped over looking bullish by tonight. It's only 12 p.m. right now. So we're going to keep covering it, guys. Again, if you guys enjoy this content, make sure you hit that like button, that bell notification, and the subscribe button. I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers, guys. I'm still trying to go to Medellin. We're moving. We moving, boys. We moving. But yeah, I can't do it without you guys. So again, all the engagement helps, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.